My dear students, today I am going to discuss the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. The Indian desert. In India, Thar desert is found in the western margin of Rajasthan, west of the Aravalli hills. This is the only tropical desert of India. It is a desert because there is a deficient rainfall. Very little, very scanty rainfall during the monsoon season due to the Aravalli's location. Aravalli runs parallel to the southwest monsoon, and so it is not effective to control monsoon winds and provide rainfall. And thus this region is full of sand dunes. Longitudinal sand dunes are found on the Indo-Pakistan border, while barkhans are found here and there. There is an absence of natural vegetation or forests. The second is the coastal plains. India has two coastal plains, one located on the Arabian Sea, another on the Bay of Bengal. First, the Arabian Sea coastal plain. It extends from the state of Gujarat to Kerala. It is about 2,500 km long and 15 to 20 km wide. It is very narrow. It receives very heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. It has different types of soils like alluvial, black, red, laterite. Plantation farming is done. This plain is known by different names in different parts. In Gujarat it is known as Gujarat Plain, while in Maharashtra and Goa it is called Konkan Plain. In Karnataka it is called Kannada Plain, and in Kerala it is called Malabar Coast. The second is the eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain is located on the Bay of Bengal. It is about 1,100 km long and 50 to 60 km wide. It has very fertile alluvial soils, and so it is known as the rice bowl of South India. It is also known by different names in different parts. In Odisha it is known as Utkal Plain, in Andhra Pradesh it is known as North Sarkar, and in Tamil Nadu it is called Coromandel Coast. Both the plains have tropical type of climate, but western coastal plains receive rainfall, maximum rainfall during the southwest monsoon season, while the eastern coastal plain receives most of its rainfall during the retreating monsoon season or northeast monsoon season. The last topic is the islands. India has two islands. One lies in the Arabian Sea, another lies in the Bay of Bengal. In the Bay of Bengal, Andamans and Nicobar group of islands are found. It has more than 500 big or small islands. Most of them are inhabited, have no population at all. It lies in the equatorial zone and so receives very heavy rainfall, and so have dense vegetal cover, dense forests. The land is not so fertile, but plantation farming are done here. The largest island is Andamans, and a smaller island south of it is Nicobar. In the Nicobar, Indira Point, the southernmost tip of the Indian Union is located. Second is the Andaman Islands were formed due to the submarine ridge, due to the earth movements. Geologists are of the view that Andaman's submarine ridge is the extension of the Arakan-Yuma hills of Myanmar. On the other hand, the Arabian Sea island known as Lakshadweep is west of the Malabar coast of Kerala. It is smaller than Andaman's. It has 24 big or small islands. Kavaratti is its capital, while Port Blair is the capital of Andaman's. Lakshadweep is formed due to coral polyps and volcanic eruptions. Coral is a microscopic sea organism which secretes calcium carbonate, and its skeleton form islands. Piti is a place which is famous for bird sanctuary. Thank you.